right beside me, saying all the...
Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really quick and easy DIY garlands made from paper to decorate your room with. So let's go! To make the paper crane garland you'll need some scrapbook paper, a hole punch, some scissors and something to hang it on. I chose wool because I had lots of it. So to show you how to make the paper cranes, I'm using a whole sheet of scrapbook paper because it's bigger, so easier to see what I'm doing. But to make the paper cranes for the garland, I cut the scrapbook paper into quarters so that they were smaller. So flip the paper over so that the wrong side's facing up and fold it into a triangle. So you just fold it diagonally. Press this down to create a good crease. Fold the big triangle in half again to make a small triangle and press it down. Open up the little triangle and press it down so that it makes a diamond. The easiest way to do this is to stick some fingers in that little open flap and then press it down. Yep. Do the same for the other side so that you have two diamonds. Take one of the flaps of the diamonds and fold it into the center, crease it, and then do the same with the other one. Fold down the top of the diamond, crease it, and then undo those last three folds that we did. Flip the diamond over and repeat these three folds on the other side. The bottom open tip of the diamond and fold it up towards the top. You want to fold in the sides as you do this along those creases that you made before. It will sort of naturally do it, so just be patient with it and this is what it should look like. I don't really know how to explain it, just make it look like what I did and then do it on the other side, yeah. Have this diamond thing that should have two leggy bits. Fold these up at some cool angles so that it's already starting to look like a crane. There you go. And then open up the sides and fold these in so that they're in the middle, sandwiched in between. And then fold down one of the tips of them, just fold it in to make the little head for the crane. Fold both wings down to reveal the body of the crane, and then you're done. You did some cool origami. Go you. So to make the garland, I made 12 little paper cranes. So yeah, as I said before, I made them out of a quarter of a sheet of scrapbook paper. Take a hole punch and punch a hole in the middle of that pointy body part of the crane. This for all of the paper crane. Take your stringy thing and measure out the amount you want. I measured out 2 meters of this wool. The first crane onto the string and then pull it so that it's in the middle, and then tie the two ends of the string into a knot so that it secures that crane in the middle of the string. On and tie down cranes at even intervals along the string until your entire string is filled with crane. To make the doily garland, you'll need some glue, some paper doilies, just got a massive stack of them here, and some string. I did some curling ribbon for this one. So take a paper doily and fold it in half. Try to match all of the little frills along the outside together. So don't do this too violently or you'll break them, they're really fragile. Keep folding the doilies until you think you've got enough. I did about 20. Measure out how much string you want. I ended up measuring out 2.5 meters because the 2 meters that I did for the crane garland was not long enough. Open up one of the doilies and swirl some glue around that solid area in the middle. Make sure you don't get any glue on the outsides because they're fragile and will rip. Place the string to one side of the crease that we made in the middle and then fold over the other end of the doily so that the string is sandwiched in between. Press this down lightly so the two sides stick together. Repeat this along the entire string until the whole string is covered in doilies.
I was just trying to be cool. I was just trying to be like you. I'm a spark in your